Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to create 3D logo modeling in 3ds Max and then export to After Effects using Element 3D to import from 3ds Max. So let's start. First, in 3ds Max, you must know about 4 viewports. The first one is about perspective, and the second is front, top, and left. So if you need to control, the primary shortcut keys is moving the viewport by pressing middle mouse button. So if you need to scroll, zoom in, zoom out, and press Alt on keyboard by middle mouse button to orbit. And now, create a plan there. So change the segment into 1 and 1. Then press M on keyboard or go to there, select the first one, compact material, and the third way, go to rendering, go to material editor, select compact. So after material selection, select the first one, empty one, and click on none. Then expand the list, move down, go to general list, select the bitmap, click OK. And next, go to this PC, archive, then go to where media files, logo, sketch. So I need to create model of 3D model of this sketch logo. Let's preview first. Take a look. Looks like a ball and some vector design into this ball. So how to create 3D model of this? Select and drop to plan, show. So there is the sample. So if you need to preview in front viewport, click on wireframe, select the face, close. So right click, select the scale, little bit scale from the height. Zoom in and select the geosphere, create data, geosphere. And go to modify if you need to edit the geosphere by segments for the quality, control the radius, change the geodesic. So what is the geo? They say base type. If you need, change the hemisphere. Okay, I need this type of sphere. So, and now select the sphere, right click, hide the selection, and go to create shapes, select line. Press Alt W for full screen. One click to create curve, and second click make curve and close. So if you need to control the line, go to modify and expand the line. In modify, select the vertex, select this point, right click, move little bit down, and select this point, control like this, and move little bit down. And now time to change the quality of the line. Why going to where? Interpolation, change to 100, and go back to create shapes, select line, and zoom in. One click, second, one click, and make curve and close to start point. Let's go back to interpolation, change to 100, and right click, go back to modify, and then attach to the first line, zoom out, then go to modify list, select extrude. Select extrude, press Alt W to make extrude, and right click unhide all, select the sphere on go to list. So there select Boolean, go to create, geometry, compound, select Boolean, select subtract and add operands, select the shape model. So, take a look guys. I need a logo model like this. And now, go back to standard and select the sphere, create, make a little bit more segments for high poly, and go to align, click on the first model, select center, turn on X position, Y position, Z position, and click OK. So, right click, select move to, and delete the photo, select the first sphere, press R for the scale little bit, scale up the size, more scale up the size like this. Then select all, press R, and so press Alt W and Alt W. Take a look. Any change, the shape looks like button. Okay, and now time to export from 3ds Max to After Effects. Go to File, Export Selected, go to Desktop, and then go to OBJ Exporter. So right there, logo, and click on Save. So select the triangles, polygons, quad. So select the triangles and click on Export, and wait. Click on Done. And now go to After Effects, create a new project, click on New Composition, and right there, logo, and select the presets Full HD, make 5 seconds, click OK. So, right click, create a new solid. Right there to 3D logo. Click OK. And now go to Effects, so go to Video Copilot, select Element 3D. So click on Scene Setup and wait for the Element 3D scene. Okay guys, there is a multi-window we have in Element 3D scene. The most important is the viewport. So very easy to control, just mouse click, orbit or rotate, scroll for zoom in, zoom out, so middle mouse button for moving. And what's next? There is the scene. We need to add 3D models, elements to control the groups between 3D models. And the right side, we have model browser. There's a lot of 3D models we have there. Select, close, so close this one, projectile weapons, sound, music, sports, about the backlights, and go to Halloween starter pack. So in their presets, we can control the bevel, 3D model styles of the titles, environments, how to control, add more 3D environments for the best reflections. So in final, we have multi-materials folder to apply, metallic, liquid materials, so organic materials. Take a look. There's more lot of materials. So, and now click on the import and go to desktop, select the logo, click open. There's a multi-important options. The first important options, turn on the use auto normal your model. So if you need to use diffuse color, specular, opacity, all is about materials. If you need to load, turn on the common or general load materials option. And final, click OK. Take a look, there is our 3D logo model and zoom in, move it up. So there is the first group I added there. Expand the group of the logo and select the first one. You can control turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. So when you select one of these materials, there you can control the materials, reflections, refractions. You can add materials from your computer, drives, folders. So there you can control the glass of the full refraction of the 3D model. So select on physical and select from the presets. I need to apply the golden material on the first model. Apply like this. So if you need to control that, go up and go to basic setting. You can control the materials from there too. So let's go to next material. Select the plastic white, apply it on second material. And now if you need to change the reflection of the 3D model, go to on environment and then we'll go to click on basic 2K. So I have a lot of more materials, environments material for the backlights. Take a look, there is more material. Select this one. If you need to change, select red and blue light material. Take a look the difference. Not bad. So now, if you need to add floor, go to create. Select the floor and then go to scale. Scale up the size like this. More scale. And select the move tool and move by Y axis to down of the logo. Let's zoom in. Take a look. The floor must touch with the logo like this. So let's apply material for the floor. Go to physical and select black outline material. And now right click there, go to reflect mode, change to mirror surface. There is the mirror surface of the logo. So now select again, change the scale size of the floor. I need more huge size and click OK. Okay guys, right click, create new camera in 24mm, click OK and select the 3D logo, go to group 1, particle look, change the size, and there you can control the camera by these 3 icons. The first one is about orbit around cursor, and the next is control by pan speed change. So in third, dolly towards, it means you can zoom in, zoom out your camera in 3D scene. Okay guys, and now if you need to save, export, move there. If you need to save image of this scene, go to composition, save frame as file. So if you need to export, go to composition, add to render tube. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.